Android 17 Beta 2 update is now available for Google Pixel devices. Let's see how to check for updates and what new features added in this update. To check for a software update on your Pixel, go to Settings, scroll down, and tap System. Tap Software Updates at the top. Tap System Update. You can see the Android 17 Beta 2 update. It's 523 megabytes. Download and install the update to your phone. And let's see the new changes and fixes. Pixel Launcher search bar reverts. Satellite Quick Settings tile. Combined Accounts and Backup menu. Next one, the Bubbles feature. With Android 17 Beta 2, users can now create app bubbles by long pressing an app icon in the launcher. New system-level contact picker. Redesigned privacy indicators. Google is introducing a new cross-device app handoff feature. Additionally, Android 17 Beta 2 introduces a new eyedropper API that allows developers to request a color from any pixel on the display without requiring sensitive screen capture permissions. If you want to try Android 17 Beta 2, make sure your Google Pixel device is enrolled in the Android Beta program, which is linked in the description. OTA update has already started rolling out, but if the update has not appeared yet, you can sideload it or flash the factory image manually. Otherwise, you can wait for Android 17 stable release, which is expected in mid-2026.